Hello everyone. I have been trying to install Ubuntu version on my Windows PC in the dual boot mode, but since I was doing that, I came up with a problem saying the BitLocker is not allowing to install Windows and the data on the Windows 11 is encrypted. So it turns out that I need to turn off BitLocker. When following through this guide on their website on how to turn the BitLocker off, I see I see that there is no option to turn off the BitLocker on my Windows 11 Home. Let me tell you that I am running Windows 11 Home and not Windows 11 Pro as like said in this tutorial. So so how to turn off BitLocker on Windows 11 Home as like me. So I will show you how. You go to your personalized setting, you go to privacy and security. Here you will find option about device encryption. Here's the thing, it won't say specifically anything about BitLocker, but this is BitLocker. And if you click here, BitLocker Drive Encryption, it will take you to some Windows Microsoft Store and ask you to purchase Windows 11 Pro. Although we don't have Windows 11 Pro, there is BitLocker encryption in here and you can turn it off by turning off this setting. Now I don't want to do it in this PC because I am installing Ubuntu on my another PC, but you get it. If you turn this off, you will get a notification whether you need to turn off the encryption. I'm again focusing that the device encryption is nothing but a BitLocker. Now I will click on cancel. It will take some time, so you have to be patient if you try to turn it off. Almost I have started my process since last 15 minutes and it's more than 15 minutes now and it's still decrypting. So you need to be patient and here is your option. So I went through this trouble and I don't want you guys to go through this trouble again of finding the BitLocker option. So I hope this helps you all. Thank you.